Introducing TTRK 5 Tubeless Kit from SUMART. Compact and easy to use tool with some tools in it. How to use it is very easy. Step 1. Remove the nail stuff in the tire. Step 2. Clean and widen the hole with the vortex tool. Step 3. Insert the tire seal into the hole in the open eye tool. Step 4. Give a little vulcanizing so that the tire seal sticks perfectly to the hole. Step 5. Insert the open eye tool into the hole. Rotate it and slowly pull it out. Step 6. Trim any excess tire seal. And the tires are ready to return to use.